Gold has created a bearish candle yesterday, and we can see how this looks. This looks like a small indecision candle with a small body, with a smaller wick on the upper side, a smaller wick on the lower side, a little bit bigger wick on the lower side. And compared with the previous days where the prices created these bearish candles and also bullish candles, this was a range area for the price that the price needed to make a breakout. And we can see that price have formed on Friday this bearish candle that has closed below these open and close price of these two candles, which was indicating a selling pressure. And yesterday the candle has created this bearish candle confirming this bearing pressure, where the price has gone outside of this area, especially below 2502, a price level which was mentioned in the previous week analysis. So we can see how this looks now. Currently the price is forming another bearish candle where the price has already reached this level here, which is a support level 2489.48, and especially this is much clearly visible on the 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, how this looks. And the price is currently right here at the support level on the 4-hour time frame, which is a very important support level. Now after the price makes a breakout below this price level, it will head down, where the next target is around 2474.19, but there are also important support levels that needs to be broken in order to reach this important daily support level. Now for the price, in order to return back up into bullish mode, the price needs to make a bullish breakout above 2502 price level. If it makes this breakout above that, this will indicate return back inside its indecision range area. But for that, the price needs to make that. But as it looks right now, how the market has formed this chart overview, it looks like a little bit more bearish than it is bullish. But important support level needs to hold in order to prevent that fall. If it doesn't hold, it will move further down towards this daily support level 2474.19. For information when this breakout happening, will this support hold? What are the smaller support levels inside 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame? It will be shared inside the Telegram group with the traders, like yesterday when it was mentioned. If the price makes a close below this price level, which was mentioned yesterday, 2502, it will indicate also a further decline, and this is something that has happened, just visible right here. So 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame are very important on the daily basis. What is the support and what is the resistance, which if it is broken, it will indicate further rise or decline to the next level, which is also shared with the traders inside Telegram group. So if you would like, you can also check how this looks on here on the left side, how the Telegram looks, and also what you can expect there. You can also make the comments and ask any questions. This is all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.